Do you feel overwhelmed when trying to create a business plan? Does the thought of writing down every little detail about your vision leave you stressed and unsure of where to start? Or maybe you've tried creating one before, only to feel like it didn't quite capture your vision or wasn't practical enough to execute. If you've ever felt this way, you're not alone. Many aspiring entrepreneurs and small business owners struggle with creating business plans that are both actionable and impactful. But what if I told you that AI can make the process faster, smarter, and more efficient? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to create a winning business plan. You'll discover step-by-step strategies, the best AI tools to streamline the process, and actionable insights to help bring your business ideas to life. I'm Ria, your host and the Job Search Maverick. Together, we're navigating this exciting yet challenging landscape of entrepreneurship, embracing innovation, and creating opportunities. Let's dive in and make things happen. Step number 1. Understand the importance of a business plan. Before we dive into the tools, let's talk about why a solid business plan is essential. A great business plan is your roadmap to success. It outlines your goals, strategies, target market, and financial projections. It's not just for investors, it's for you, to keep you focused and aligned. Step number 2. Start with AI-powered brainstorming tools. The tool I recommend for this is ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy. Use these tools to brainstorm and refine your business idea. For example, if you're launching a fitness app, you can ask ChatGPT, what are some unique value propositions for a fitness app targeting busy professionals? The AI will generate creative ideas, helping you identify your niche and define your vision. Pro tip, use these tools to outline your business's mission, vision, and core values. Step number 3. Conduct market research with AI. The tools recommended are Google Trends, SEMrush, and SimilarWeb. AI-powered platforms make market research easier than ever. Use Google Trends to identify industry trends and customer demand. SEMrush can help you analyze your competitors and find gaps in the market. For example, imagine you're launching an eco-friendly skincare line. SEMrush can show you the top-performing keywords for similar businesses, helping you refine your product offerings and marketing strategies. Step number 4. Build financial projections with AI. Recommend the tools LivePlan or PlanGuru. These tools use AI to help you create realistic financial projections. Simply input your expected costs and revenue streams, and the tool will generate detailed cash flow statements, profit and loss reports, and balance sheets. Pro tip: use AI tools to test different scenarios, like launching in a new market or introducing a premium product tier to see how they impact your finances. Step number 5. Craft a winning executive summary. Undoubtedly, the tool recommendations. Here are Grammarly, Go, or Jasper. Your executive summary is the first thing investors or stakeholders will read, so it needs to be clear, compelling, and concise. Ask Jasper to generate a polished executive summary based on your business idea. For example, input: an eco-friendly skincare line targeting millennials focused on sustainability and affordability. The output will be a well-crafted summary that highlights your unique value proposition. Step number 6. Visualize your plan with AI design tools. The tool recommendations are Canva or Visme. Use these tools to create visually stunning charts, infographics, and presentations. These visuals will make your business plan more engaging and professional. For example, Canva can help you design a sleek presentation for potential investors, complete with branded visuals that align with your business identity. Step number 7. Refine and polish your plan with AI. Again, the tool recommendations are Grammarly or Hemingway Editor. Ensure your business plan is free from errors and easy to read. Use Grammarly to refine your language and Hemingway Editor to simplify complex sentences. Pro tip: remember to include a compelling call to action for investors or stakeholders at the end of your plan. Mavericks, I know creating a business plan can feel challenging, especially if you've tried before and felt stuck. But with the power of AI, you're no longer alone in this journey. These tools are designed to simplify the process, making it accessible and achievable for anyone with a dream and the drive to succeed. If this video inspired you to start working on your business plan, Don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow. Share this video with someone who needs a little push to bring their business ideas to life. And of course, subscribe to join our Mav fam for more actionable advice and strategies. I'm Raya, your job search Maverick, and I'm here to help you believe in yourself and your vision. Together, we can make things happen. Thank you for being part of the Maverick community. Remember, the power to succeed is already within you. AI is just here to amplify it. Stay bold, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make things happen.